What are the penalties for a second offense DUI conviction in South Carolina? Attorney Michael Sahn explains that. For a second offense DUI conviction in South Carolina, a BAC of 0.08% to 0.10% will result in a jail sentence of 5 days up to a maximum of 1 year, as well as fines up to $5,100, not including court costs. A second offense DUI conviction involving a BAC of 0.10% to 0.16% will result in a jail sentence of 30 days up to a maximum of 2 years, as well as a fine of up to $5,500, not including court costs. A second offense DUI involving a BAC of 0.16% or greater will result in a jail sentence of 90 days up to a maximum of 3 years, as well as a fine of up to $6,500, not including court costs. Second-time offenders are required to have interlock ignition devices installed in their car for 2 years following any suspension period.
Contact attorney Michael Sahn in Charleston, South Carolina today. He provides clients with aggressive and skilled representation in some of the most difficult legal situations.